In this video, I'm going to show you how to make foam soap at home. What you will need is an empty foam soap bottle, one that used to have foam soap in it from the store, because it will have the right mechanism and pump that you will need to be able to use your foam soap at home. You will also need your liquid soap of choice, as well as a dish soap of choice if you want to make a foaming dish soap. All right, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is fill the bottom of each of these with your liquid soap, and you're going to do about an inch, which is like, I just go off of my knuckle and do about a knuckle's worth. Now that you've got your liquid soap in the bottom of the bottles, you're going to add your water. I like to make sure that my water is as warm as I can get it before I start using it. So I will turn it on full blast to warm it up. And once it's warm, just bring it down to a trickle, and I add in my water. Tilt the bottle so it's not going straight onto your liquid soap. Next, you'll add in your pump.
Water.
Once you have the lid secured, you're going to take your bottle and you're going to flip it upside down, and you're just going to rotate it around gently. And that hot water is going to help dissolve that soap. You're just going to keep doing that until all of your soap is dissolved. You can see all that soap floating around, so keep going until it is clear and there's no more gel in there. Just like that. All of the gel has been dissolved, and you are left with a nice thin liquid. Now kiddo number 1 is going to help me out and show you how to do this one. There you go. And tilt it. Make sure it's going in on the plastic part. Just like that, all of it's dissolved. Here's your dish soap. Nice and thick, foamy. Here's your hand soap. Thick and foamy. A little does go a long way, and it is just as effective as the liquid soap. I'll show you our science experiment that we did to prove. Okay, Kiddo 2 is going to help me show you guys this cool experiment that we did today with our science lesson. We have some water in a bowl, and now we're going to add some pepper.
Black pepper.
Okay, so now, oh, don't shake it. Okay, we added some more pepper, and here's what her finger looks like when she dips it in there. Those germs. And then she can spread the germs by touching others. Oh no. What do we need to do? We need to wash. Okay, so now she's got her hands all soapy, and she's going to show us what the power of soap does. Pretty cool. Okay, go find another spot. All right, okay, make a tornado. That works too. She enjoys tornado making after our meteorology unit. Thanks for showing us, Kiddo 2. Can you give me a thumbs up? Whoa. There you have it. That is how you make foam soap at home.
We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button.
Don't forget to subscribe. We have more content related to all things family coming. That is household tips, recipes, and homeschooling.